Hi, I'm Tina Longo, and I'm an ABA Criminal Justice Section member, and I've been a member for now the last 2 years. I'm the chair of the Task Force on Comprehensive Criminal Representation. I guess the most important thing about being a member of the ABA is that we get to work together, not only as my perspective as a public defender from New York City Legal Aid Society, but also I get to work with prosecutors, judges, clinicians, law professors, all with the common goal to make the criminal justice system better and make it work for our clients. And that's what's important about getting involved. It's to have a voice and to be able to not only do the work we do in our jurisdictions, in our towns across this country, but then come together and look at bigger reform that's important for the people we serve.
Hi, my name is Daju Jung. I'm from South Korea. I'm a judge. Actually, I have been membership of ABA just for 3 months. 3 months ago, I came to United States for study. Now I study at the GW Law School, and I'm an international LLM student. And actually, I want to study and research about United States sentencing system, and I heard about this conference and criminal justice section, and today I really enjoy it. Actually, first time it was the first time for me to attend this kind of conference, so I was actually very shy, but I have a good chance to meet the Professor Salzburg and have a good chance to talk with him, and now I'm very happy. And now I think that I firmly believe that it is very good chance for international judge to understand the United States criminal system. So yes, I think I can say that please join the ABA criminal section. Thank you.
My name is Shima. I'm a professor of criminal law at Brigham Young University, and I'm also chair of the Pretrial Justice Task Force and the Committee on Police Practices for the ABA. The reason I'm a member of the ABA is that, as some of you might find, practice in criminal law can be very frustrating, and you might feel day to day that you're just knocking your head against the wall because of all of the same issues that come up, the frustrations of dealing with the various issues. And working with the ABA has actually helped me to overcome a lot of these frustrations and be able to work on the policy issues that broadly affect them. And working on this broader policy level has helped bring my criminal justice experience in practice and in writing to life, and help me feel like I'm actually making a difference in the world. And so my membership in the ABA is important to me in that I feel like I'm making a difference, and I feel like I'm moving the ball forward as far as criminal justice and not knocking my head against the same wall, but I'm able to surround myself with like-minded people, people who are interested in making a difference and are actively doing so.
Hi, my name is Mike Pope. I'm an attorney in New York for an organization called Youth Represent. It's a nonprofit, and we help youth that are struggling with reentry issues. I'm a member of the Criminal Justice Section of the American Bar Association, and I've gotten a lot of benefits out of it. As a young attorney, it's important for me to meet new practitioners in the same area that I'm working in, and also expand the experiences that I have within the criminal justice section, and also looking at nationwide trends and looking at what other organizations are doing and looking at what other areas are doing on the same issues that I work in.
Hi, I'm Gary Ramey. I'm a member of the Criminal Justice Section of the American Bar Association, and I have been a member for a long time. I think it's important to be a part of organizations that play a prominent role nationally in forming criminal justice policy. Both as a practitioner and now as a law professor, I'm very interested in the future of criminal justice in the United States and its success. The ABA presents an opportunity for me to participate in a meaningful way in ensuring that success. That includes my membership in the Juvenile Justice section, and also in a relatively new section that involves international criminal justice matters. So I would suggest that anybody interested in being an active participant, and not just a passive observer in criminal justice issues, get involved in this group of practitioners, judges, academics like myself, and other people who have a serious interest in the success of our criminal justice system.
My name is Maureen Essex. Membership in the ABA has enhanced me both professionally and personally. I have made dear friends through the ABA that I know will be my friends for the rest of my life. Professionally, through my participation in the Government and Public Sector Lawyers Division, the Criminal Justice Section, the Juvenile Justice Committee, and the Commission on Homelessness and Poverty, I have met people who, through their experience and expertise, have both informed and enhanced the way I practice law as a public defender. Through my participation in the ABA, I met a person who made it possible for me to have the life-changing experience of traveling to Uzbekistan to educate judges, prosecutors, defenders, police, and members of non-governmental organizations about the way domestic violence is treated in the U.S. court system. You should join the ABA. It's well worth your time and investment.
Hi, my name is Megan Wood, and I'm a member of the ABA Criminal Justice Section. And I think some of the reasons that it's great to be part of the American Bar Association and the Criminal Justice Section in particular is that it gives you the opportunity to connect to tons, dozens and hundreds of criminal justice professionals throughout the nation. And it also provides the opportunity to hear about new initiatives and endeavors in criminal justice across the nation as a whole. And as a criminal defense attorney and someone who works in criminal justice policy work, that's invaluable into my work and into the future of criminal justice in the United States.
I'm Sandy Weinberg. I'm with Zuckerman Spader, and I'm a longtime member of the Criminal Justice Section. Most recently, I was chair of the White Collar Crime Committee of the section, and now am on the council of the section. The section is really important because it brings together judges, defense lawyers, academics, and prosecutors together to discuss the key issues that are confronting the criminal justice system, both state and federal. And there's really no other organization like it. We debate state issues, we debate federal issues, we put together policies and procedures. We take them on occasion to the House of Delegates and have the entire ABA vote on them, and we really benefit tremendously from the interaction of those four constituencies.
My name is Raoul Ayala. I'm currently a co-chair for the Immigration Committee of the Criminal Justice Section of the ABA. I encourage all of you to consider joining the American Bar Association as the premier association on behalf of all lawyers in the United States. There's sections and committees covering all aspects of the law and all aspects of our practice, and so there's something in it for everybody. In particular, I ask you to consider joining the Criminal Justice Section. Again, it's one of the more active sections in the ABA. Has committees that cover all areas of our practice, prosecutors, defense attorneys, judges, academicians all participate in the Criminal Justice Section, and there are publications, books, magazines, and annual meetings, and other special events to participate in. And then lastly, I make a special petition for attorneys from the minority and diverse communities to participate in the Criminal Justice Section. There's a need for input from the diverse communities and opportunity to take some leadership in the committees and in the work of the Criminal Justice Section. And it's a great way for lawyers of all ages to maintain professional contacts throughout the country and to look for new ways to improve our practice on a daily basis. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Melani, and I'm a member of the ABA's Criminal Justice Section. I am a law school student at the George Washington University Law School, and I'm in my last semester there. And I love being a member of the ABA's Criminal Justice Section because I myself hope to go into criminal justice policy, especially looking at racial and economic disparities in sentencing and all kinds of other issues within the system. And the section has introduced me to so many events and topics that I would never have been aware of otherwise. I've met a lot of practitioners in the field who have the same interests as I do that I feel I would never have encountered just within the microcosm that is law school. So I've had a wonderful time, I've met a lot of people, and I've learned a lot being a member of the Criminal Justice Section.
Hi, my name is Rochelle Arms, and I work for the New York Peace Institute in the Brooklyn office in New York, and so I am about to become a member of ABA through my organization along with a few of my colleagues. And this is a great opportunity for us because we're mediators, so although we work very closely with many lawyers through our partner agencies and through our district attorney's office, much of the information that they have access to, we're not regularly in contact with because we're in a different field. So this is a great opportunity for us to network with other attorneys who may be in positions of collaborating with us, and just to be part of what's actually happening in terms of promoting changes within the criminal justice system here in the criminal justice section, which is the part that I'm participating in. And so it gives us a great opportunity to kind of be in the action, so to speak, of potential changes that can have an effect both on our work and the work of our partners.